How to change DEGIRO language. Follow these instructions. Open the DEGIRO app or website and sign in with your account credentials to access the main trading interface and profile settings. Tap the menu icon on mobile or click your profile picture on the website to reveal personal account and language options. Select Personal Settings from the menu to enter the section where you can change account preferences, including platform language. Inside Personal Settings, scroll to find the Language option, which controls the display language of the DEGIRO interface. Tap Language and choose between English and your default local language. Only these two options are currently supported by DEGIRO. Confirm the language change and the app or website will instantly reload in your selected language for a smoother user experience. Thank you for watching.